So I built this during winter. Wasn't very hot to heat this up much, although the compost did get warm. I've taken half out, but let me show you what it looks like. Black Gold Texas tea. I've added a few more things from the garden, but what you see in there is still moist, but you still have a lot of oak leaves. So when I get to St. Augustine grass, it's full of oak leaves. I guess the good thing about it keeps the compost really loose, but it takes a long time for them to compost down. So I use it like that, and it does wonders. Actually put some paper in here also from the shredder. So I'm satisfied with this. I am going to make an adjustment. May have mentioned it before, I'm not sure. So I got these two aerators here. I'm probably going to take them out and patch those holes. I'm just going to drill holes in the middle. My commercial composter had holes across the middle, and they get clogged up, then I'll just run the water hose right through the middle of it. So that's what I'm going to do. These are working out okay. It's getting enough air in there, but I'm getting ready to make another one, and next time I'm going to try it with just drilling down into the metal pipe itself. Double thumbs up. It holds a lot of compost.